Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Rectification after preparation of trial balance. The difference of trial balance is transferred to suspense account. So rectification entries made after preparation of trial balance should be routed through suspense account. After passing all the rectification entries, the balance of suspense account would become 0. Rectification journal entries for sales and purchase book. Sales book overcast rupees 200. So the rectification entry would be sales account debit 200 to suspense account rupees 200. Sales book undercast by rupees 300. So the rectification entry would be suspense account rupees 300 to sales account rupees 300. Purchase book overcast by rupees 500. So the rectification entry would be suspense account 500 to purchase account 500. Sale of rupees 5000 passed through purchase day book. The customer account had however been correctly debited. So the rectification entry would be suspense account rupees 10,000 to sales account 5,000 to purchase account 5,000. Rectification journal entries for sales return and purchase return books. Sales return book undercast by rupees 150. So the rectification entry would be return inward debit 150 to suspense account 150. Purchase return book is undercast by rupees 500. So the rectification entry would be sales return would be suspense account debit 500 to return outwards 500. Rectification journal entries for bills receivable and bills payable books. Bills receivable book is undercast by rupees 250. So the rectification entry would be bills receivable rupees 250 to suspense account rupees 250. Bills payable book is overcast by rupees 350. So the rectification entry would be bills payable account debit 350 to suspense account rupees 350. Rectification entries for discount. Discount allowed is undercast by rupees 50. So the rectification entry would be discount allowed account rupees debit rupees 50 to suspense account credit rupees 50. Discount allowed rupees 56 posted to the credit of discount received account at rupees 65. Now so the rectification entry would be discount allowed rupees 56 debit, discount received account debit 65 to suspense account rupees 121. Miscellaneous rectification journal entries. Travelling expenses of rupees 100 though entered in cash book but not posted in ledger. So the entry would be rectification entry would be travelling expenses account rupees 100 to suspense account rupees 100. General expenses of 24 was posted as 42. So the rectification entry would be suspense account debit 18, which is difference of 42 and 24, to general expenses account 18. Rupees 200 received from Ram has been debited to Bikram, now rectified. So a rectification entry would be suspense account rupees 400 to Ram account 200 to Bikram account 200. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.